What we doing here?
We're building the patio for Vicky. We're gonna scrape off the grass. That's our first task using the loader. Let's go take a look at that. Come on.
And where we are?
Where we are?
Yeah.
We're in a secret location in central Pennsylvania.
Okay, cool. Here is another project we did for AC. Hi guys, so this is how you do perimeter with the strings. You start with a house foundation because it's always square, and you make over there line. The first line it's from house foundation, and we measure it from that line and from other side of the house foundation, and then we had this perimeter for pavers. And here is how you do. You find the highest spot, and highest spot in this case is this pipe, because we cannot go lower than this pipe in the ground. So we're gonna put just ½ inch of sand on top of that pipe, and from there you take a string, straight edge with a level, and you do these spots, and you fill up with the dirt, and then cover it with the sand. You put this fabric right after you level it with the dirt. There's a little bit of slope this way and this way, just like a quarter per inch slope, quarter per foot, I mean slope. And then you do fabric, and after that you do sand, and then a brick. It's very easy, it's just a hard work. Hey guys, here we are in central Pennsylvania doing the Brick Paver Patio, just 25 cents a piece. And here you guys, you can see the result. You just keep going like that. And all the way there. And then hit until it's level with that. Boom, boom. Ouch!
Like that. Ouch!